What it do, guys? Manjoume here, and today in Low Budget Cooking, we're making pizza burger casserole. I got this recipe from Granny Potty Mouth's Fast as Fuck cookbook. Link will be in the description below. Link to her channel will also be in the description. The name alone was reason enough to try this one out. While I tried to follow these recipes to a T unless I have good reason to do so otherwise, some things were a little unclear, and I'll explain how and why I differed. Also keep in mind that, like a pizza or a burger, you can add or omit anything based on preference. To make this, you'll need 2 pounds of hamburger or ground turkey, 1/4 of an onion chopped. You can saute it with the burger meat, but I omitted it per preference. A pinch of salt, Italian seasoning, and pepper. 1 can of 8 refrigerated buttermilk biscuits. I used flaky and it turned out well. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. 1 4-ounce can of sliced mushrooms, drained. 1 4-ounce can of diced black olives, drained. Omitted as per preference. 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 1 8-ounce package shredded pizza blended cheese. 1 cup pepperoni. I use them more for aesthetics and to naturally section out each slice. First, in a skillet, we'll brown our meat, adding in onion if you're into that. Add your seasonings when done. I found that the pinch asked for wasn't quite enough, but you can experiment and find out a balance that works well for you. Next, you'll preheat the oven as per your biscuit instructions. Then grab your baking dish, grease it up, then press the biscuits to line the bottom of the baking dish evenly without holes. Now spread the tomato sauce. I'm not a huge fan of sauce, and it's a little unclear, so I just use a couple scoops and spread it. Now combine your meat, mushrooms, black olives if you included them, and diced tomatoes. So the meat mixture wouldn't dry out while baking, I decided to add the rest of the tomato sauce and give it a use. Pour all this on top of the now sauced biscuits. Top that with your cheese. The bake/cook time is kind of weird. You want to bake for 5 to 10 minutes longer than the biscuit instructions say to. Basically, you just need to brown the biscuit bottom since the meat's already cooked and the cheese will have no problem melting. If you choose to put pepperonis on, I recommend you put them on about halfway through baking so they won't burn. Once it's done, let it sit for about 8 minutes. I wasn't able to personally try it out fresh. My family did and said it was good if somewhat lacking in flavor due to light seasoning. I brought it to the company potluck and most people seem to enjoy it. I think the pepperonis really made it look like pizza and I love the look. Next time I'll include the onion and maybe play around with some other ingredients. Well guys, that's it for the pizza burger casserole. If you want to see more recipes like this one, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining. That's all for now guys. Manjoume out.